What's up, everyone, and welcome to another daily episode where we're going to talk about a malicious PyPy package, or packages, that try to steal your AWS credentials.
Oh, drat these computers. They're so naughty and so complex. I could pinch them.
Researchers have discovered a number of malicious Python packages in the official third-party software repository that are engineered to exfiltrate AWS credentials and environment variables to a publicly exposed endpoint. The list of packages includes loglib-modules, pyg-modules, pygrata, pygrata-utils, and hkg-sol-utils, according to Sonatype security researcher Ax Sharma. The packages, as well as the endpoint, have now been taken down. Some of these packages either contain code that reads and exfiltrates your secrets or uses one of the dependencies that will do that job, Sharma said. Hey, congratulations. You're doing a great job by wanting to learn about the malicious PyPy packages stealing AWS credentials. I appreciate your support by watching my episode about it. If you are new to my channel and have not already, please consider subscribing to my channel and smashing the bell to be notified when I upload new episodes, where I give you the daily cyber news, as well as insights into the newest important cybersecurity news stories like this one. With my insights, you can be better prepared to protect your company, your family, and of course yourself against these and other cyber attacks. So hit that subscribe button now and let's continue to learn about this story together. The malicious code injected into, for example, loglib-modules and pygrata-utils allow the packages to harvest AWS credentials, network interface information, and environment variables and export them to a remote endpoint, being graph.pygrata.com:8000/upload. Troublingly, the endpoints hosting this information in the form of hundreds of TXT files were not even secured by any authentication barrier, effectively permitting any party on the web who knows where these files are to access these credentials that have been stripped from tons of accounts. In a similar vein, a German penetration testing company named Code White confessed recently to uploading malicious packages to the NPM registry in a bid to realistically mimic dependency confusion attacks targeting its customers in the country, most of which are prominent media, logistics, and industrial firms. It's noteworthy that packages like pygrata use one of the aforementioned two modules as a dependency and do not harbor the code themselves, so it's the supply chain attack. The identity of the threat actor and their motives still remains unclear. Were the stolen credentials being intentionally exposed on the web or a consequence of poor OPSEC practices, Sharma questioned. Should this be some kind of a legitimate security testing, there surely isn't much information at this time to rule out the suspicious nature of this activity. This is not the first time such rogue packages have been unearthed on open source repositories. About a month ago, two Trojanized Python and PHP packages named CTX and PHPass were uncovered in yet another instance of a software supply chain attack. An Istanbul-based security researcher, Yunus Aydin, subsequently claimed responsibility for the unauthorized modification, stating he merely wanted to show how this simple attack affects over 10 million users and companies. And that's the news. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe if you haven't already, and smash the bell if you haven't already. And I'll see you on the next episode.